Hello, in this video, let's learn how to solve this exponential equation using two methods. One, using just the laws of logarithm, and two, using the laws of logarithm and indices. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more mathematics content. Now, before we start, I want you to recall two laws of indices. From these laws of indices, if you have uh, a to the power of x divided by a to the power of y, this can be equal to a to the power of x minus y, right? And if you have a to the power of x multiplying a to the power of y, this can be equal to a to the power of x plus y. This is the unique thing happening between here and here. So what do we do from here? Considering these two expressions, we're going to simplify both. So we're going to have over the left-hand side 2 to the power of y divided by 2 to the power of 5, right? And this will be equal to 3 to the power of y multiplied by 3 to the power of 1, right? We can simplify this. Remember, 2 to the power of 5 is simply equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And that is 35, right? That's going to give me 32, right? So I have this to be 2 to the power of y divided by 32. And this will be equal to 3 to the power of y multiply by 3 to the power of 1. So what do we have here? To simplify further, we are going to multiply both sides by 32. So we'll have 2 to the power of y divided by 32 multiplied by 32, right? And this will be equal to 3 to the power of y multiplied by 3 to the power of 1 multiplied by 32. So what do we have next? From this expression, you come to see that 32 can simply divide 32 to give us 1. And then we'll have 3 to the power of y times 1 will give us 2 to the power of y, right? And that will be equal to 3 times 2 will give us 6. And 3 times 3 will give us 9. And that will be 9 multiplied by 3 to the power of y. So 3 to the power of y, 2 to the power of y. We can divide both sides by 3 to the power of y and 3 to the power of y. That way, we can be able to clear y from the right hand side. So if we clear y from the right hand side, what we're simply going to have is this clearing this, and then the value of the left hand side will be equal to, recall the law of indices, this will become 2 divided by 3 all to the power of y, right? And this will be equal to 96. Now we are closer to the solution. Now at this point, what we need to do is either to take the logarithm of both sides or the natural log of both sides. So if we take the natural log or the logarithm of both sides, we'll have this to become the log of y base 2 divided by 3, right? And this will be equal to log of 96. So according to the law of logarithm, this will come over here, this is going to come over here, and that will make this to become y log of 2 divided by 3 equal to log of 96. So what do we have here? We have this to be equal to this. Now to find the value of y, we're simply going to divide both sides by the log of 2 divided by 3. If we divide here by the log of 2 divided by 3, this solution will now become this solution will now become this divided by this, and then we'll have y to be equal to log of 96 divided by the log of 2 divided by 3. So what do we have? We are going to have this as our solution, but we can simplify it further. Recall that if we have the log of a divided by the log of b, this can simply be equal to the log of a base b, right? So we can simplify that to give us the value of y to be equal to the log of 96 base 2 divided by 3, and that is the solution to that expression given to us. Now, if you notice in this solution, we've only used the laws of indices and the law of logarithms. So in the second method, what we are simply going to use is the log or laws of logarithm. Now remember the question given. We are given 2 to the power of y minus 5 equal to 3 to the power of y plus 1. So if we are given those two expressions, what I'm simply going to do is to take the natural log or logarithm of both sides. Now let's do with the natural log. If we take the natural log of both sides, we'll have the natural log of 2 to the power of y minus 5, and that will be equal to the natural log of 3y plus 1. So according to the law of logarithm, this is going to come over here to multiply the natural log. Same goes with the other side. So we are going to have y minus 5 multiplying the natural log of 2, right? And this will be equal to y plus 1 multiplying the natural log of 3. So according to the rules, this can multiply this expression, and then we can expand that. So if we expand that, we are going to have y natural log of 2 minus 5 multiplied by the natural log of 2, and this will be equal to y multiplied by the natural log of 3 plus the natural log of 3. So what next do I do from here is to collect the like terms. If I collect the like terms, I'm going to have y, the natural log of 2, minus, because this will come over here to give me minus y, the natural log of 3, equal to the natural log of 3 plus 5 multiplied by the natural log of 2. From the left hand side, y is common, so what I'm going to do is to bring out y, and this will give me the natural log of 2 minus the natural log of 3, and this will be equal to the natural log of 2 of 3 plus the natural 5 multiplied by the natural log of 2. Great. Now to find the value of y, I'm going to divide both sides by the natural log of 2 minus the natural log of 3. Same over here, the natural log of 2 minus the natural log of 3. And from here, you see that this will simply clear this, and then I'll have my y to be equal to the natural log of 3 plus 5 multiplied by the natural log of 2, and all these will be divided by the natural log of 2 minus the natural log of 3. And if we simplify this or evaluate this to the smallest term, we're going to have the value of y. Now recall that this will give us the same solution with the first. We got y equal to the log of 96 base 2 divided by 3. Now simplify this. If you simplify this, you're going to find out that this is going to give you the same result with this. And then you can find out that the solutions given to us is the same, definitely using the first method and the second method. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.